Welcome guys, wow, nice having you on board again. Welcome to the day 2 of the free crypto webinar. It's been amazing. Yesterday was amazing. We learned a whole lot yesterday about what cryptocurrency is, what buying entails, what selling entails, how cryptocurrency works, different crypto exchange. It was amazing, and I believe by now you know what it means. Nobody can actually deceive you or cajole you when it comes to the world of cryptocurrency. You know what exactly cryptocurrency is. You are not just putting your money in something that someone told you about, but now you know that when we talk about cryptocurrency, we are talking about digital currency, and the same way our regular currency works is the same way digital currency work. I told you and I explained everything to you, and I believe you get that. Don't worry, today you are going to learn a whole lot more than you do yesterday. I have a whole lot to explain, and for those who are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please ensure you hit on the subscribe button right now. Subscribe on the YouTube channel. That's the only way you can support the work we are doing. So if you didn't, please kindly do that right now. It's very, very important. And please drop a comment, like the video. It will help the YouTube algorithm to help show more people this video. And on the other hand, please, if you have not watched day 1 of the class, please ensure you use the link below or the link right on the screen right now to check the day 1 of the video. It's going to help you. Just check the description box below, because you can't get what we explained today until you understand what we explained yesterday. So guys, let's get started and see how far we can go today. How to make money passively in cryptocurrency. All right, there are a few outlines I'll be covering today. Number 1 is how to earn without trading, staking, fixed saving, yield farming, crypto jobs, crypto airdrop, KCA affiliate, and exchange referral. So I'll be talking about this shortly. So let's get started. Earning without trading, that's the first thing I want to talk about today. What is it? It's actually hard for some of you who are just new to the crypto market to believe that someone can actually earn in cryptocurrency without trading. Absolutely possible. Yes, it's really, really possible. You can earn without trading. You don't have to trade to earn. Yes, I mean it. You can earn. I've been saying this over time. Okay, let me just read it right up here. Is it possible to make money in crypto without trading? On several occasions, people have asked me this question, and the answer is yes, it's very possible. 90% of those who really make money in crypto do not trade, or only trade once in a year. Yes, I can tell you that for free. 90% of those who make money in cryptocurrency do not even trade. And 90% of those who trade does not really make money. They make it today and lose it tomorrow. Oh, sir, that means you don't trade crypto. I trade crypto. But I'm going to explain everything in depth to you. And I can tell you, there's a whole lot of things I'll be telling you today that sound very shocking. I find this out after years of experience in trading, training, and research in the world of crypto. My life, my mentee and mentors are testaments to this fact that 90% of those who really make money in crypto do not trade, or only trade passively, which means they trade maybe once in a year, once in a blue moon. I remember my early days in cryptocurrency while studying on Binance Academy. I came across something. One of the tutors said, he said, there are some traders who only trade once in 4 years. And to my greatest surprise, I've come to realize that those are even the guys that make the most of the money in the market. The major player in the market does not even trade daily as we do. They don't trade often as we do, and they are the one that make the main money in the market. Large part of my capital are invested in spot trading. Large part of my capital are the trade I took maybe once in 2 years, once in 1 year. Oh, you don't know? Don't worry. One thing you should thank God for why you join this class is that you should thank God for the fact that this is the class where you can actually hear the truth, the raw truth. We are not yet eagerly to make money from you. Like, okay, let's just suck something like that. Let's just persuade you. If that's what we want to do, we have been showing pictures of how I've make money, how I've done this, so that you think you can make money as well, and end up losing money, and end up in the next 2 years, 3 years, and start cursing me, saying this guy is a bastard, is this and that. No, apparently no. We are here to share with you secrets, truths, facts. We have been here for years. Like what I told you, that 90% of those who really make money in crypto do not trade, or only trade once in a while or once in a year. I find that out as a result of my own personal experience, my mentors who have observed, my mentees who have trained, and my mentees cumulatively. I told that those guys have make hundreds of thousands of dollars. Personally, I haven't make hundreds of thousands, I make thousands of dollars in the crypto markets. Yes. My first crypto mentor in the crypto space, at a point, makes over $1,000 every month. by doing crypto jobs, writing crypto white paper, without even trading. That's what he does. Kudos to him today. I mean, he was telling me that, I was like, I remember one of the days, and I was in a phone call with him, and he told me on the phone, he said, you know what? There are more than 100 ways to make money in the crypto markets. He said trading is just one. Futures trading is just one. Spot trading is just one. And I'm like, sir, are you sure? He said yes. And he began to share his experience. Then a dollar was actually far less than 1,000 naira to a dollar then. It was maybe around 750. Like I said yesterday, I apologize to those who are not in Nigerian. Please pardon my bias. I'm in Nigerian and I'm in Nigeria at the moment. So that's why I could use that illustration. So please pardon my bias. I know we have students from all part of the world listening to this and getting to view this. So now, what am I trying to say in a nutshell was that currently a dollar is 1,650, 655 as at this morning. I still bought some dollars to naira. So that means it was making almost 1.6 million every month without even trading. So that's the secret I want to show you in this class. How you can actually make money without trading. So when you hear about crypto trading, everything does not actually revolute or resonate around trading. Trading is just one of the ways. You can write crypto articles, you can do crypto jobs, moderator, you can do a whole lot in the space. You have heard of the likes of Airdrops, we have heard of pre-sales, we have heard a lot of things. The major one I do, oh God, I don't know, I have a lot to share with you, but let's just get started. We already started, right? Yes, that's true. I'm on this line right now. Yes, that's true. And you can do the same. I heard of someone who makes $100 weekly just by doing moderator job for a crypto community. I can tell you, trying it from experience, there are more than 100 different ways you can make money in crypto without trading. Personally, I've made hundreds of dollars without trading. So let me show you how I've done this and how these have worked for me. So the first one we need to do is staking. So let me tell you how staking works. Well, staking and reward. Staking is what I personally am the one that give out this definition. After years of experience, staking is what I call landlord system in cryptocurrency. I call staking what? The landlord system in cryptocurrency. And how does this work? Staking is when you lock up crypto assets for a set period of time to help support the operation of a blockchain. In return for staking your crypto, you earn more cryptocurrency. So it's practically like if you have an asset right now, maybe you have XRP, maybe Ripple, maybe you have Doge, maybe you have Ethereum right now. You stake it on the exchange. It's just like giving your money to them, saving it up on the exchange. And when you do that, what happens next is that they'll be giving you a reward time to time. You'll be receiving a reward from the exchange, a percentage, like an interest on what you have staked on the exchange. So this interest right now is like a cumulative profit. For instance, when you buy a coin, like I just explained, you can stake it. Okay, let me also use it in the illustration of owning a house. For instance, now you bought a house in the United States, and when you bought the house maybe for $500,000 or $1 million, and after buying the house, you know, say, okay, this house, I have a lot of rooms there. I'm going to be giving out for rent, so I'm going to give this flat out for rent, this for rent, and every month they pay you returns from your rent. They pay you rent, so automatically you still own the house and you're still collecting rent. Now, what happens is that as long as the house is still yours, the house keep appreciating in value. And as long as it's in the right location, the house keep appreciating in value, yet you keep receiving rent. So what does this mean when it comes to crypto? If you buy the right crypto asset or the right crypto coin, you can give it out for rent, or you can give it out to an exchange to help support the blockchain. Are you getting me? Why you keep receiving interest time to time? Do you get my point? You keep receiving interest from it, and as long as the asset is yours, the asset keep appreciating in value. A friend of mine shared something recently. When I told them to buy SCI coin, the guy bought the SCI coin. He didn't just buy the SCI coin, stake it on the exchange on Binance. Now they told him his SCI is going to be ripe for harvest in December. I think he staked it for 3 months. And within that 3 months, he bought SCI at less than $1. Within that 3 months, SCI has grown up to be more than $4. Now, two things happen. He's making money from the SCI bought for $1, selling for $4, and automatically giving him multiple XUI. Also, they're giving him a return on that asset. Are you getting me? Who has now cumulatively bring more reward to him? So now maybe he bought maybe 100 XUI. Now he's getting maybe 110 or 120 SUI. Now he has get additional SUI. The SUI has appreciated in value as well. Do you get the point? So that's exactly how staking works. So does this guy trade? Apparently he trade, but he didn't trade as it were. He's not doing day trade. Like he enters today, sell today, buy tomorrow. He just bought and staked his assets. So he's not trading, yet he's still making money. So his assets were returning back in money for him. Reward are paid daily, weekly, and monthly. I remember like 2 years or 3 years ago, I staked Axie Infinity AXX, and it's really brought back cumulative interest for me. Every day whenever I go to the exchange, I collect a little change here, and my assets still intact. An amazing thing about the reward was that you can actually withdraw the reward and spend, yet your reward is still accumulating. So there are a few things to consider before staking a coin. Number one that you need to consider is that the coin potential on the long term, on the long run, based on the use case or fundamental analysis. Now, for instance, right now, at time you may stake a coin, and they tell you, okay, this coin you are staking, don't worry, you are staking it from now, this January 2025, you are staking this coin in January 2025, and please, we are going to give you your reward in January, February 2026. Automatically, with the knowledge I have in the financial market, I can't do that, because I know eventually by the time they are giving me the coin back in January 2026, I will be losing more than gaining, because based on the 4-year cycle I showed you guys the other day, it's expected by that January 2026 we should be in the bear season. So no matter how much I'm even making on the coin or the reward they are giving me, I can't make profit by then. No matter what the reward is, I'll still be in deficit. But if they ask now, you are staking in January to get back in maybe June, May, April, May, I can risk it, because at that time I'm expecting the market to have gone up in price. So for any long time between now, it's wrong. But if I now stake it in January 2026, and they told me that, okay, guy, you know what, we're going to give you your reward back in the next 2 years, I'm ready. Because no matter what I put in the market, then it is the right coin I bought, I'm going to be on massive profits. Because by then we'll have been entering maybe the pre-boost season. So there are a few things to consider. You have to consider what we call the seasonal calendar. How does this really work? I release this virtually all the time in the VIP section. I give out to my students in the VIP signal room virtually all the time. We use it for analysis a whole lot. The seasonal calendar is one of the things you need to get. It should be on our Telegram channel. I told you guys to join our Telegram channel. If you haven't, please ensure you join our Telegram channel, subscribe to the YouTube channel, subscribe to our WhatsApp community. These two things will really help you a long way in getting update from us from the crypto market. I can tell you that for free. From getting updates time to time, make sure you're on the community, make sure you are on the WhatsApp, Telegram, and YouTube. Those are the 3 official handles we have. You can also see the link to them below in the video. You can see them in the description below. So ensure you join all this. They are going to help you a long way. So you need to look at the coin from technical point of view by looking at the chart. Like I told you earlier on, be careful of using percentage. When the percentage is too high and the time frame is short, you have to review it again and again. For instance, they tell you, okay, guy, you know what? We're going to give you 100% in 3 months. Ask yourself. They will tell you 100% APY in 3 months. That means you have to divide that by 3. That's around maybe 30% or so. But there's a way you can actually calculate staking reward, because if they tell you 100% APY or APR in 3 months, that doesn't mean that they're going to give you 100% of your money. No, there's a way staking works also. I have a full video on stakings, the practical analysis. We stake a coin, show you the reward, show everything in one of our A to Z course. It's literally there. You can have access to it in the A to Z course. So, but that's not where I'm going today. So, what am I trying to say is that be careful of juicy percentage. When the value is extremely high, that means the liquidity is also, the volatility is also very high. It can pump and dump in the same time. So the coin potential on the long run is also important. So you have to be, that's number one that I mentioned earlier. Let me re-emphasize on it. I didn't say much on that. The coin potential, is this coin really worth it? Is this coin really having the value, the tendency of doing much as I thought? Or this coin is just a meme coin or a shit coin, as we used to say? Does it really worth it? For instance, right now, I'm asking to buy XRP and stake XRP. I can stake XRP based on the Donald Trump inauguration and the likes coming up in America in recent time. I'm sure that the likelihood is high. So you have to ask yourself several questions before making decisions. So that's on staking. I hope you understand what staking means. It's just picture being a landlord, collecting rent, saving up. But just the same thing applicable. If you buy a house in the wrong location, you get me? I was reading a book yesterday or so just on finance, and you know what actually help real estate is it depends on location. Anything about real estate is about location. If development and economic value moves from one location to another location. For instance, now let's assume maybe where your area is right now, there is Dangote refinery and the likes, and where you build house at the moment and you give out house for rent, automatically, if there's a refinery and there's all likes within that neighborhood, your rent is going to increase because there's job, there's people, there's population moving down there. I get me. But if the refinery later on relocate from that location, automatically the rent, the economic value of that area is going to drop. So you have to consider that as well. So the same thing is more or less like doing fundamental analysis. So a house can also depreciate in value if it's in the wrong location, but only appreciate in value when it's in the right location. Hope you get what I explain. So please ensure you get that very well. So let me go back. Let me explain the second one, which is fixed savings and flexible savings. How does this works? Well, saving is more like staking with a little difference in terms of returns. On staking, most times is higher than that of saving, and the terms differs based on contracts. Yes, when it comes to staking, the reward is a little bit higher, but when it comes to savings, the reward is a little bit lower. And what makes the difference is that the terms also different. For instance, now if you are staking a coin, one thing I didn't tell you is that when you are staking a coin and you decide to withdraw your staking reward or withdraw your capital and your interest before the due time, all the returns they are giving, they are going to collect back from you. Yes. So don't think of withdrawing back anytime soon. Just like the same way with our digital bank like OPay, MoneyPoint, and like, if you are breaking up your saving before the due date, automatically you're going to pay for it. Do you get the point? So that same thing works. You're going to pay for it. So when it comes to fixed savings and flexible savings, the terms actually differ. You may not even, some flexible savings, if you decide to withdraw back tomorrow, your interest are not going to pay anything for it. You are giving your interest, they are giving you. So it's very flexible. So the difference between fixed and flexible savings can be, is that the flexible savings can be unlocked anytime you want it, and interest is lower compared to fixed savings. Fixed, it can be withdrawn anytime. It can be withdrawn anytime, and the interest is higher compared to the flexible savings. The fixed savings can maybe 1 month, few weeks, and the likes. Then the higher the funds you save, the higher your returns you get. The amazing part of it is that the daily returns are paid at midnight, which simply means around 1 a.m. that's when you are sleeping, and you keep making money. So that's why we say you make money while you sleep. If you have not come to the point where you make money while you sleep, you are not yet a wealthy person. So it's your ability to make money while you sleep, or your money to work for you. So two things happen when you engage in this. Your money is working for you and you make money while you sleep. And one thing you should pursue in life, you see, let's not leave crypto aside. One thing I should tell you, one thing you should pursue in life, this is just fact about life. You must pursue wealth to the point that your money can actually work for you, not you working for every single thing you need. Because as you grow in life, there's a point that your strength will diminish, and yet your need for money will increase. So pursue that with all means, and one of the way you can do that is by ensuring you have a whole lot of investment. And I can tell you for free, one of the best way you can have massive investment for the future is by trading cryptocurrency, or by cryptocurrency, or by stocks and shares. They are virtually all the same. There's just a little difference between the two. Imagine you bought Bitcoin when Bitcoin was, as at 20 when it was on, I think it was less than $10 or so. Imagine you bought Bitcoin then at less than $10. The same Bitcoin is over $100,000. Can you calculate your reward? Imagine you bought Bitcoin in 2021, or in 2021 it was ranging between $15,000. And as we talk right now, Bitcoin is trading as of today right now, trading at $90,000. Imagine that. Imagine what's going to look like in the next 10 years, in the next 50 years, in the next 20 years. What's going to look like? It's going to be much more massive than you could imagine. So earning without trading is sweet and stress-free and low risk. Only that the patience could do it. Imagine you bought Ethereum when Ethereum was far low than $100 some years back. Imagine you bought BNB when BNB was down to as low as $200. Imagine what you'll be having right now. You see, one thing that will help you. Okay, let me just be careful what I say. And on the other hand, I have to be careful that I didn't, what I'm saying here may actually go contrary to what they have told you. But this is the truth. You can't deny the truth. May church of those guys that you see that they tell you, oh guy, I'm trading, I make 50% yesterday, I make $100,000. They are making it of a truth, but they will not tell you when they are losing. What? We are the one we can tell you. May church of them make today, lose tomorrow. They are not profitable. Listen. They are not profitable. These guys, they are not profitable. They make today, lose tomorrow, bring another money tomorrow, put in it, make the one they lose yesterday, double it again. you see, God actually have to reveal this to me. I've learned a whole lot to be profitable in this market. One of the best ways to be profitable is to go long term. Go long term. Buy a crypto asset right now, and when it's down, buy it and wait for maybe 2 years, 1 year, come back again. That's what the world does. That's what the major players in the market does. They don't trade futures, they don't do that. Oh, we give signals of futures trading. We make money. And one thing about our own futures trading is that it's even extremely more profitable. We make losses at times also, but not as much. Our losses is maybe let's say our winning rate is over 80%. You can come check our Telegram channel, check all signals I've drawn and check the results. Check it yourself. Yeah, there for everybody to see. There's nothing hidden about it. But the truth is, guys, you have to consider long time to make money in this market. So that's how fixed saving. And this is a picture example of how this works. See this one right now. You have SOL here, and that when this data was taken, you are receiving 35%. That's APR, annual percentage returns, or annual percentage APY. And if you are looking for duration 15 days, but this one right now, you have to calculate how many 15 days is in 1 year. Don't worry. Don't let me start. These are just, it's a complicated mathematics to calculate what your return is, and interest per slot. You can see what it is like, and that's how this works. That's fixed savings. And I didn't have stakings for here. Okay, this is just lock savings, but almost virtually the same things how stakings also work, and this everything you need to know. So once you go on your Binance or your Bybit, anyone you're using, you can there are slots for this, and you can easily subscribe to any of them you want. So guys, let's move forward. Yield farming crypto. Let's explain what yield farming is. I know some of you are there about yield farming. Let me explain what it is. This on that DeFi protocol, it works almost the same way staking works, but it's done better on DEX such as PancakeSwap, Uniswap, and the likes. So this one is a DeFi protocol. It's done better on not on CEX, CEX, that's centralized exchange. So it's not done on centralized exchange, but mostly on decentralized exchange like PancakeSwap, Uniswap, and the likes. And it's more or less like this taking we're talking about. Yield farming revert to depositing token into a liquidity pool on a DeFi protocol to earn reward, typically paid out on this protocol governance token, typically paid out. Then another thing is that yield farming is high risk and more volatile than staking done on CEX. Nevertheless, don't forget, the higher the reward, the higher the risk. They have a higher reward, they also have a higher risk as well. So you can easily lose your money, you can easily also make your money when people engage in it, and it's very profitable for them, for those who are ready to risk high. But the higher the risk, the higher the return. One thing about crypto that you should know is that the higher the return, the higher the risk. The lower the return, the lower the risk. So yield farming works better and faster. You are sure of huge reward within a short period of time. Nevertheless, you need to make findings well before venturing into it. So this is how the system works. This is a picture illustration of how it works. This is the lender here. You deposit, this is you here, depositing your crypto assets. You deposit its interest come. This is the DeFi platform. You deposit here, they also pay you back your interest here. And then when you deposit the money to them, they lend it to other person while they collect interest and share the interest with you. So it's just like they are the ones standing the gap between you and the borrower. And before you can borrow anybody money in cryptocurrency, the person must have equivalent amount of that to use as a collateral. For instance, right now, what really happens is that I may want to borrow maybe USDT right now, $1,000, and I have BTC worth of $1,500. Do you get my point? But I don't want to sell that BTC at that moment. I don't want to use it. I also want to borrow from you. Borrow me raw USD. Let me go and trade with it. When I trade, I make money. But on the other hand, while I'm trading by anything, I'll pay back interest. Do you get the point? So that's exactly how it works. I don't want to touch maybe my asset and money, but you can't even borrow anything in the space until you have an equivalent amount of it as a collateral. That's how it works. So that's how it works. You can see the borrower here. Also, smart contract to liquidate. It's also having something is depositing on the DeFi platform that in case of repayment failure, they take it back from him. And that's the end of it. So that's how it works. So now the better part of it is, let me talk about cryptocurrency job. Wow, this I think I reserved this basically for the last. Now cryptocurrency jobs focus on creating, analyzing, and managing cryptocurrency system. The interesting thing about cryptocurrency jobs is that they are done remotely. They are more of remote jobs. working from home anywhere in the world. That's what I told you about my crypto mentor who was working then. He literally work from the room of his house, from the comfort of his home, and he's making that amount of dollar regularly time to time. One thing about these crypto jobs that you can work anywhere in the world, and that's one thing KC has tends to do over time. We have been working effortlessly in KC to ensure that we help as many could help to earn remotely, to work, to earn in dollars and work remotely. That's what we have been trying to do over the years, to see how we can create more system where people can work remotely and earn in foreign currencies. We believe in it, and that's what we're trying to do for our own generation and for our own age. That we are helping as much young mind we can help. We have over currently right now, even up to 500 students on our mentorship who have paid for our courses, who have registered, who have started making money in the market. And they have been able to earn remotely, irrespective of the job they are doing. They're able to work hand in hand. So you can be an article writer, you can work as software engineer, you can work as freelancer, you can work as copywriter, depending on the skill you have at hand. I told you earlier, there's more than 100 ways to make money in crypto without trading. When it comes to crypto, all you need is knowledge. Your knowledge determines your earning. That I used to say, your learning determines your earning in this market. There are reputable sites today that you can register on and start getting crypto jobs, and you will get paid once you are done. So let me show you some of the sites where you can see some best crypto jobs you could get and some best crypto websites you could get the jobs. So see blockchain developer, UI UX designer, security architect, data analyst, community manager, back end and front end engineer, risk analyst. And you can see on your right hand here, you can see different sites. You can see bitcoinjobs.com, cryptojobs, crypto.jobs, cryptocurrency.jobs.com, cryptocareers.com, cryptojoblist, web3.career, remote3.co. So you can check all these websites and find out. Just press them on Google, it's going to pop out. You can apply for any crypto jobs there and start making money. But one thing is that you have to have the skill required before you can start making money. If you don't have the skill required, you can't eventually make money. So you have to have the skill required. So the last one I'm talking about is cryptocurrency airdrop. Wow, this one also have paid us a whole lot to make money from dogs, Notcoin dogs. I think those are the basic one we're able to make a whole lot from. I make a whole lot from dogs personally, and I earn so much from it. I will have some upcoming already. So if you have heard about crypto airdrop for now, I believe the majority of you, as a matter of fact, you even heard about cryptocurrency by hearing about the airdrop. You don't even know that there's actually a difference between airdrop and cryptocurrency itself. You didn't even know that airdrop was just a branch of cryptocurrency. It's not even the main crypto itself. So you came into the space, and now that when you saw this flag, you only click on because it was another airdrop. Relax, it's not airdrop. It's not airdrop. You have heard about crypto airdrop before now. As a matter of fact, it is the most trending part of crypto, and now I believe some of you are participating on it, on Telegram. Truthfully speaking, they are legit airdrop. I've seen people make hundreds of dollars on airdrop before now, but over 80% of airdrop link on Telegram or Telegram mini app airdrop out there are fake, and some are not fake but time waster. So to call them fake is even an understatement. They are time waster when you compare the reward to the time given to it. Some of them are even dust. You know, we say, they are giving out dust. They are giving out dust like that. You read a lot of slangs like that. Maybe you have actually participated in a drop for more than 6 months, 7 months, and what they are giving you at the end of the day, maybe $5, $6. It's very discouraging. We participate in airdrop in KCA, but one thing about airdrops is that we hardly even release airdrop updates. We may just release maybe once in 3 months, once in 2 months, but actually when we release, you can bank on it because you're going to make massively from it. A crypto airdrop is a marketing strategy used by blockchain based project that involves giving out free token to masses as part of a broader promotional initiative. No free money anywhere. I hope you know that. No free money anywhere. Before you can earn airdrop, you will be asked to carry out one task or the other, which is to create awareness about the new token, and make people buy into it, make people believe into it. One thing about airdrop is that it's just an awareness system. It's a promotional system. It's a marketing system. They use it as a marketing system. They want to announce, okay, they want people to know about this airdrop. They want people to know about this coin that is upcoming. So what they do is that they create airdrops and give people free token for marketing for them. Majority of people have known about Dox coin, even not because of the Dox airdrop. Majority of people have known about what's the name of this popular one? Oh my god, I can't remember it right now. Very popular. They give out Dox. Majority of people have known about them, even not for their airdrop. So that's one thing. It's a marketing system, a market strategy. So the more, instead of them wasting money in doing adverts, let's tell the people who even love it. So when you help us tell others, we give you more. And you can find that there's no actually airdrop without referral system. So they will tell you refer and earn more. So the more you refer, the more you earn more, because the whole essence of airdrop is even to market it to the broader market. That's the whole essence. But you have to be very careful and do your because some of you right now, if you check your Telegram, everything there is airdrop. The message you receive in a day, and yet you have not even make a dime. Yeah, airdrop here, you are mining this one, you are tapping this one, you have been tapping and tapping and tapping and tapping, and no dollars drop into your account. Hamster combat. I remember hamster combat. And some of you have tap swap. I never even participated in such because I knew it's not going to go anywhere. It's experience. When I heard about Docs airdrop, I participated in it all my life. I think one of my students make $122. If you have the testimony, I'm going to share with you on Docs airdrop. That's what's 100K. We are so sure. We make our research where we do our findings well. One thing about KCA is that you can be sure that you can hardly make wrong decision with KCA. No, we don't just post. Some of them will ask me, sir, if I just signal, how many signal you drop in there? I'll just tell them, if that's what you want, you may be at the wrong place. I drop signal every day, but not how many. I focus more on the quality of signal than on the quantities of signals. What's there? I drop 7 signals, 10 signals, bam, po, pa, and everything. You enter, you lose here, you make here, you lose here, you make here, you lose here. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Okay, it's a new done for you. So let's get started. I said let's get started. Let's continue. So benefit and risks of airdrop: token distribution and decentralization, reward loyal users. You can see the benefits. Marketing and ad generation. That's the reasons you can see on your left hand. That's why airdrop is being done. Introduction to new features or platform. While on the other hand, the risks is that potential security concern, impact on token value and market dynamics, risks of centralization or token manipulation. It can easily be manipulated, so you have to be very careful, and your account can easily be hacked. So you have to be very careful in even seeking for airdrop. So the last part is refer and earn. Well, another way you can also make money in the crypto market is by referring and earning. Number one is what we call KCA affiliate. Number two is exchange referral. KCA affiliate system. There are multiple ways you can to earn money when it comes to cryptocurrency. You can be part of KCA affiliate team. We have an affiliate team on WhatsApp who has been extremely active and been making money consistently by carrying out 1 or 2 tags based on demand per time. This is done by you referring people to be part of KCA and subscribe to any of our masterclass. You get paid on anyone you refer that subscribe. That's one thing we do in KCA. I think as the last week, one student refer someone to me, get paid virtually all the time. People refer. When you find anybody to buy either subscribe to our signal room, buy a crypto itself, because don't worry, you get to know about all of them in details, or our technical analysis course. Virtually all of them, you get to know about them. You get paid. And we have our forex course as well. We have our stocks and shares course. So a whole lot happening on the affiliate system. So you can part of it and be making steady money. I know someone run advert who make money steadily, virtually every week on the KCA platform. So all you need to do is join the affiliate system. The KCA affiliate team. If you need the link, you can chat me up on WhatsApp or on Telegram to ask for the link, and possibly we might also drop the link in the video below for you to join and be part of this affiliate team and start making money with us. Let me ensure we have all that in detail, so you can be making money with the affiliate link as well. So, and that will also help you. A lot of people make hundreds of thousands by just being part of KCA affiliate. Then another thing is exchange referral. You can also enter exchange referral bonus by referring people to join crypto community or crypto exchange, or using your referral link. For instance, if people use your referral link to register on Binance, Bybit, you get more rewards. Do you get my point? So you get more rewards from that as well. So you can use your referral link, and if the person fund the account, they tend to pay you every referral. There's a referral bonus. For every referral, there's a referral bonus awaiting. Learning crypto is one of the best things you can do for yourself and really try change your life. It has changed mine, and I can believe it can change yours as well. So as we conclude today, let me share a few of our KCA student testimonial with you on the day 2. Then tomorrow we round up and call it a blissful moment together. So now, see here, boss, I have a wonderful testimony. I just made $15, 15D. It means $15 from today trade. I'm so happy. Staying indoor and making such amounts in less than 1 hour. God bless you. I'm happy to be part of KC. You wanted saying KCA signal room, KCA signal. I'm so happy. Don't worry, you make more. Amen, boss. Grace to you. So you can see this right there, and you can also see good morning, boss. See this guy here making $10 on the signal. That's on Litecoin. These are even old testimonial. Just check the signal. You can see a whole lot of them. Thanks again, $30. I just joined signal room. You can see here, and this was students. If you can slant your screen or bend your screen, this is the student I told you about. I make $124 from Doc's airdrop. You can see how much this guy make. And this one he also said, "Oh, good morning, sir. How was your night? I was okay. So I made $80 from Docs. See this one, I made $80. That was an airdrop. Oh. This is how much they made on airdrop. Airdrop or not airdrop or precisely airdrop. This is how much this student made. I made $7, even though I entered late. This was a normal signal. You can see this student here. This is another one here. How much he made? $9.37. You can see on CHZ. And here and there. We have a whole lot of testimony that we can even share. So this is my WhatsApp, and you can chat me up on WhatsApp or Telegram for more details. In case there's any link I promised to drop that I didn't drop, you can ask for more. So guys, this is where we come to an end today. Please don't forget that I told you that 90% of the traders that are profitable today, or 90% of those who do crypto and extremely profitable do not even trade, they make their money out of trading. And I've shared so many of the ways they make money for you, and I hope you follow any of them and start making money as well. So I'll see you again tomorrow on the third day. Please ensure you don't miss it. Share the link, and please feel free to share this video with your friends and loved ones, and ensure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you, and God bless.